Hello everyone, Ryan here. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the Shopify product page customization. In this video and in just a few minutes, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a highly converting product page for your Shopify dropshipping store. This will help you captivate your target audience, address their pain points, and ultimately boost your sales and profitability. We'll start by exploring how you can craft great product titles and descriptions that highlight your product's unique value proposition, and then we'll talk about the process of setting up product variants, such as different colors or sizes, and finally how you can optimize your product page layout. So by the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive understanding of how to create product pages that not only look great but also convert. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. Now, if you don't have a Shopify account yet, then feel free to check the link in our description. By using the link and signing up for an account, you will get a 3-day free trial, and then after that, if you choose to continue, then you can access any one of Shopify's main plans for only $1 on your first month. It's a great way to test the platform out at minimal cost, so go ahead and give it a shot if you haven't already. Moving on, let's talk about the product titles and descriptions. Your product titles and descriptions are the foundation of your product page, and they play a crucial role in attracting and engaging potential customers. So to create a compelling title, start by removing any generic or unhelpful text imported from your supplier such as AliExpress. Instead, let's craft a title that combines your brand name with the product's main keyword or descriptor. So for example, let's say that we are selling a set of eco-friendly storage bags. Our brand name is Green Kitchen Essentials. So you might create a title like this: Green Kitchen Essentials Reusable Food Storage Bags. A tip here is that we can include the trademark symbol like this one, and it adds a touch of professionalism and credibility to your brand name. This small detail can help build trust with potential customers and set your product apart from the competition. When it comes to your product description, your goal is to highlight the key benefits and features of your product while addressing any common concerns or objections that the shoppers may have. So to gather information for your description, start by thoroughly reviewing your supplier's product page and reading through customer reviews to identify any frequently mentioned selling points, pain points, and questions. You can also gain valuable insights by researching your competitors' product pages and sales copy. Take note of how they position their products, the benefits they emphasize, and the language they use to connect with their target audience. So for example, for my food storage bags, we might create a description that includes the following sections. Something like: keep your food fresh and your kitchen organized, durable, leak-proof, and easy to clean. Under each section, provide concise, benefit-driven descriptions that address the common pain points and demonstrate how your product solves them. The next thing would be to showcase your product with high-quality images. So in the world of e-commerce, visuals are everything. And high-quality product images not only grab the shopper's attention, but also help build trust and credibility. While you can often use the images provided by your supplier, it's essential to ensure that they are clear, professional, and showcase your product in the best possible light. If the supplied images are low quality, outdated, or don't effectively highlight your product's features, then consider searching for additional images on Google or other supplier pages. But be careful not to use any copyrighted images from competitors who may have invested in custom photography or graphics. So for my silicone food storage bags for this example, we would want to source images that showcase the bag's versatility, durability, and the eco-friendly nature. So I might include shots of the bags being used to store various foods, as well as images that demonstrate their leak-proof and easy-to-clean properties. These are just a few examples that I could find. But for your products, when selecting your product images, aim for a mix of high-quality lifestyle shots and close-up detailed images, because lifestyle shots can help the shoppers envision how your product fits into their daily lives, while the detail shots highlight specific features and benefits. Next, we want to optimize our product variants for maximum conversions. Many products come in multiple variants, such as different colors, sizes, or materials. Setting up these variants in Shopify is crucial for providing a smooth and intuitive shopping experience for your customers. So I would start by removing any irrelevant or confusing variant options that may have been imported from your supplier. Focus on presenting the most essential and popular variants that your target audience is likely to be interested in. So in my case, I might offer 3 sizes of options: small, so snack size, or medium, sandwich size, and large, gallon size. And I would want to set up these variants in Shopify and ensure that we have clear corresponding product images for each size option. And when it comes to pricing your variants, consider your target profit margin and any discounts that you plan to offer. So you might set the regular price for the small bags at $10. I would write $9.99, and the medium bags at $12.99, and the large bags at $15.99. That way you can create a sense of urgency and value. you could display a compare at price that's 20 to 30% higher than your regular price. Just make sure to clearly display your variant options on your product page using intuitive drop-down menus to help people quickly select their desired option. And test your variant selections on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure a seamless user experience across all platforms. Next up, we want to talk about how you can get professional, beautifully designed product pages without any need for coding or spending hours customizing the look of your product page. And for that, we are going to use the application eComposer Landing Page Builder. It's a great application that allows you to create stunning, high-converting product pages with ease. It has extensive library of templates and layouts, as well as a wide range of integrations. In my opinion, this is one of the most amazing applications for Shopify store owners looking to elevate their product pages and drive more sales. And the great thing is that it comes with a free plan that allows you to have a live 1 page per selection, save 10 templates, and 200 plus pages layout. And if you needed more than that, then you can get the monthly plan at $19 per month, and it allows for up to live 15 pages per sections. So I'm going to go ahead and click install to add it to my store. From there, you'll get a straightforward process to link your Shopify account with the application. And then once you have the application integrated, you want to click on Start Building. From there, you will be guided to the process of selecting a page to build. So for example, we have the landing and pages, home, product, collection. We want to build a products page, so click on product. And then it will load the relevant templates for the product page. And as you can see from the templates previews alone, these pages are extremely well designed. And if you wanted to build them yourself, it would take hours, if not days of building. So choose the template that you like. For example, let's say I like this clothing product. I would click on preview and see how it would look like live on my store. You can even see how it looks like on mobile devices or tablets. And if everything looks good for you, then go ahead and click select. And then after that, you want to choose a template name. So go ahead and enter any name that you want for this template, and then the slug, which is basically a type of code that will be used to identify your template. It will not display in the front store. And then you can choose whether to show the theme in the header and footer or not. I'm going to select these options for my store and then click Start Building. And so simply, the product that I added earlier gets integrated so seamlessly within the application. As you can see, it automatically imported my reviews and the star rating. And scrolling down the product page, you can see some other stuff that they added. For example, the outfit your vibe with a picture, video, and everything else. Now, of course, you want to change all of that for your own product. As you can see, this video is like some kind of stock video from the application, and the description is not exactly right, so I would want to remake all of this. So I'm going to go ahead and change this section right here to fit my own brand a little bit more and my product. Once you've done your edits and everything looks good for you, go ahead and click Save and Publish. And as you can see, this application is a game changer if you want to create some stunning, high-converting product pages without the need for coding or any design skills. It has a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, an extensive library of templates and layouts, and some powerful integrations. And with that, we will have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.